Hey, I've got a tutorial for my last trick, so here we go. All right, so I have a special deck of cards, and you can see it has a marking on it, SI2, which means this is my Size Stebbins number 2 pack. I have a Size Stebbins number 1 pack, which is blue, but I have 2 of them. And the reason why I have them marked like this is because it takes quite a bit of a setup to set up this deck. So you keep them this way, and then, you use other decks for other tricks. So let me show you how it works, okay? So there is a total setup to this deck, and the guy Size Stebbins came up with this, I believe, in the late 1800s. So it's a great stack, and it's a full deck stack that you can use in a lot of tricks. So let me spread it out like this. All right, that's not bad. Okay, so first of all, it alternates red and black. So it's red and black all the way through. It alternates, every 3 cards. So 2, 5, 8, Jack, Ace, 4, 7, 10, King, 3. Those are all three apart, all the way through the deck. And even at the end, Jack goes to Ace, 4, 7. So it's a big circle, if you can think of it that way. So you can cut it, and it won't change the order. And then it's also in chased order, which means clubs, hearts, spades, and diamonds. So if you have a club showing, the next card's an ace, and then after that would be a spade and a diamond every single time. So when I do the 4-card trick, well, I'll show you in a moment, that's how easy it is to do, okay? So then what I do, again, you can give it a cut as much as you want, but you can't shuffle, because if you shuffle, obviously you're going to change the whole setup. But cut as much as you want, because all that does is change the starting position. You're still in the exact same order, okay? So it doesn't change the order at all, okay? And then for the trick, I'll even give it one more cut. So for the trick, I spread them out, and I just said, all right, I want you to pick any 4 cards in the pack, or in the deck, excuse me. So let's just say you pick these 4 cards right here, okay? So I don't get to see them, but all I need to know is this card right here, okay? So what you do is you pick this pack up, and then you pick this pack up, and make sure this one ends up on the bottom, and then I quickly go like this, 7 of diamonds. So I square it up, I look, 7 of diamonds that quick, and I go, I'm just gonna get rid of the cards, okay? So again, just pick it up, and that is the 7 of diamonds. That's my key card, okay? So now I'll know what the next cards are. In fact, I can tell you right now, this card will be the 10 of clubs, okay? So that's how it works. So then I just set them aside. Again, it's just so quick, it's just, nobody's gonna notice I even looked at it, but I know it's a 7 of diamonds, so that's my key card. So I can spread these out a bit. And then, of course, I can go in any order I want to, but I can go, this is the 10 of clubs. Let's see, this card is, you got to skip one, because this would be, 3 away would be Jack, would be the king. So this would be the 3. So this would be the 3 of spades. This is the 6 of diamonds. And, of course, the king of hearts. So that's how it works. So that's the Size Stebbins stack. And again, it makes you look like you can mind read cards. It's a great stack, and there's a lot of tricks you can use with it. So hope you liked it. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Go back and watch the trick. And again, thank you for your support, and have a great day.